Discover how thousands of YouTubers are making a full-time income. Go to beatoolboss.com or click the link in the description. Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video, we talking about the easiest way to get into affiliate marketing and start making money, in my opinion. All right, so it's a very popular community style website out there called the Wealthy Affiliate. Now, if you've been involved in making money online or affiliate marketing, eventually you're going to run into this program, Wealthy Affiliate. All right. So if you're not familiar with it, a lot of people promote Wealthy Affiliate. A lot of YouTube videos, they do their content, and then at the end, they always say, hey, check the link below, find out how I'm making money, blah, blah, blah. When you click on it, you usually see like a landing page or whatever, put your email in, and then they end up leading you to Wealthy Affiliate website, right? So this is common with a lot of big YouTubers that they're all Wealthy Affiliate members, and they actually, refer people to the site, right? And a lot of times, a lot of these programs out there, people refer, right? They get people over there, and it's trash, right? Either the course is garbage or the website is like whack, right? But the thing with Wealthy Affiliate is, it's actually a legit site. It's a legit opportunity to learn affiliate marketing and to actually build a business from affiliate marketing, right? Because a lot of people, like I said, they just promote it. They push people over there and they're like, okay, yeah, just go. But here's the thing. Once you are a member of the Wealthy Affiliate, it gives you every aspect that you need to know. I just shift the camera, right? Everything you need to know, starting from, even like I've been doing this for like 12 years now, over 12 years, but even the most minor stuff, from like what is affiliate marketing to how to get started, how to pick products to promote, how to build a website, how to put content on it, how to promote your website, how to get tons of traffic. Every aspect of affiliate marketing is covered once you're a member of Wealthy Affiliate. Now, one of the cool things about Wealthy Affiliate is you actually can start and join for absolutely zero, right? You can get started with that. Now, the idea is, right, once you get started with Wealthy Affiliate, why they make it free to join is because they give you so much stuff that gets you going, right? It gets you going with affiliate marketing. Then you do hit a certain point where you're like, okay, I want more. Like, what do I do? That's when they offer you an upgrade, which is $49 a month. You get like the actual premium membership, and it just opens up all the doors. It opens up all of the training, all of the forums on there, and it literally gives you everything, all of the affiliate education that you will need to be successful. Now, to be honest with you, if you're watching this video and you're not really that serious in affiliate marketing, or you just kind of like, I'm just looking around, seeing what methods I like, okay, this might not be for you. But if you are like new, you're a beginner to affiliate marketing, and you really want to be like, yo, I want to learn affiliate marketing. I want to build a passive income. I want to do affiliate marketing full time. You definitely want to check out Wealthy Affiliate, right? And it's one of them things where when you go over there, it's one thing to kind of pitch something to somebody, right? But it's like, all I'm saying is just go over there and look at it for yourself. Forget like what I'm saying right now. Just, if you're into affiliate marketing, you're new to it, or you've been struggling with it, go over to Wealthy Affiliate, right? Sign up for free and just take the steps as a free member. Do everything you need to do as a free member, right? Then ask yourself, like, okay, do I want to take it to the next level? Do I really want to do this as a business? And then if you do, the $49 a month is nothing. You know what I mean? Because you're serious and you're getting so much education from Wealthy Affiliate. It is actually, it could be even overwhelming. So that's why I would take everything step by step, because I've been a member of Wealthy Affiliate for years now. And actually, when you join Wealthy Affiliate, let me know. You can message me, and I'll see that you joined. Um, and you can actually communicate with me, and I can help you out over there. So you can actually message me personally once you are a member of Wealthy Affiliate. Because the things that I like about Wealthy Affiliate, which it's constantly updated every day. There's new information on there. There's people actually on there where you actually engage with people, right? People asking questions, people helping each other. But not only that, they got tons of instructors over there and tons of courses, tons of courses that you can join and complete, right? And it just builds up your arsenal of knowledge at the same time while you're building your online business, right? So the earning potential is crazy with affiliate marketing, like I already told you before. But when you have a central location that you can just focus on, like that's a great feeling. For only basically $50 a month, you have everything you need to build your own online business for real, right? Because a lot of people join, Wealthy Affiliate. They just join it. They don't do anything. They don't do any of the courses. They don't do any of the training. Even if they do the training, they don't finish the training. And that's not what Wealthy Affiliate about. Wealthy Affiliate, in my opinion, is one of the least gimmicky opportunities out there, because it's straight training. In my opinion, Wealthy Affiliate is no different than you signing up to a community college or to some sort of trade school program that you pay like a tuition, it's no different than that. It's legit, straightforward training that gives you what you need to do to be successful. Period. No, like, oh my God, make $1 million in a day. It's none of that. It's straight training. And that is why so many people are members of Wealthy Affiliate. And that's why so many people promote the Wealthy Affiliate, because it's easy to promote, because it's a good product. That's why I feel good, promoting Wealthy Affiliate, because I'm a member of it. I use it, and I know it's a legit platform, right? And if you're trying to get into affiliate marketing, you're a beginner, I'd highly recommend joining it, and then you can promote it, and you can promote affiliate, Wealthy Affiliate, if you want to. But a lot of people over there, they use it because they got products that they want to sell, right? But then they're in different niches. They're in the dog training niche. They're in the sports betting niche. They're in the cookie. So everybody over on Wealthy Affiliate, they have one thing in common, and it is to build a successful online business, right? And to master the art of affiliate marketing, right? Everybody has that goal in common, and everybody in the community is cool. Everybody that I've encountered so far is super, super nice, super helpful, and you can definitely learn a lot. So if you're thinking about Wealthy Affiliate and joining it, do it, right? But do it and treat it like you would a college class. Treat it like you would, a job. Like, really learn, stuff, and take action. Take action, right? Because this is a community that is constantly updated every day. You can always keep learning. You could always keep building and learning how to make more money, right? So in my opinion, this is the easiest way to get into affiliate marketing and learn how to make money and actually build your own online business. Wealthy Affiliate, I would say, well, if you got the money, no, you can start Wealthy Affiliate for free. But I suggest, once you, as a free member, do what you need to do, because there's steps you can follow to really point you in the right direction. But if you're serious about it and you want to go hard, upgrade, become a premium member, and you'll see all of the doors can open up as far as knowledge and building a real passive income online. Right? That's why people promote Wealthy Affiliate. That's why I promote Wealthy Affiliate. And that's why I am a member of Wealthy Affiliate. So if you decide to join Wealthy Affiliate, you can do so. Click the link in the description of this video, and I will connect with you over there on Wealthy Affiliate, and I will help you out any way I can. So don't be afraid to reach out to me. It's all good. Let's get this money. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to the channel because you see I'm bringing that content. Till the next time.